Okay, now when it comes to these pumps, stuff like that, they're actually pretty strong and resilient. Like, I just want to clean it up so that it's not a big mess in the spring for me to deal with, right? So I'm going to unscrew this, disconnect this hose, or this big pipe here. Right, and this piece here, something tells me it just slides off. We're gonna have a look here. Garbage. This piece here, does it? Just, oh no, it screws on. But I think we can just backwash it and not have to deal with it. Sometimes you have to backwash it, sometimes you don't. Or sometimes you have to take off the housing, sometimes you don't. So, just going to clean a pump the best I can with some running water. You guys see me use a wheelbarrow a lot for a wash basin because when I'm done, I can go and dump the water, the dirty water, somewhere inconspicuous. Otherwise, I end up using the tub. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then this one here, which managed to stay really, really clean. That'll about do it.